Hello everyone. Today we're unraveling the mystery of NAD+ and its potential to prevent aging and boost athletic performance. Get ready to discover the science behind this powerhouse molecule in just 3 minutes. NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a coenzyme found in every cell of your body, playing a vital role in metabolism, DNA repair, and energy production. As we age, NAD+ levels naturally decline, leading to cellular aging and increased disease risk. But can boosting NAD+ levels reverse this trend? Current research suggests that while NAD+ boosters and supplementation show promise in delaying signs of aging and improving health, the evidence is still preliminary. Studies have indicated that increasing NAD+ can potentially slow, prevent, or even reverse some aging processes by targeting key cellular mechanisms. Athletes are always on the lookout for an edge, and NAD+ might just be it. It's involved in oxidative phosphorylation, the process that generates ADP, our cell's energy currency. Some studies suggest that NAD+ can reduce inflammation, speed up muscle recovery, and even improve endurance. However, it's not all clear-cut. While NAD+ shows promise, current evidence suggests that NAD+ therapeutics don't alter muscle metabolism or improve performance in healthy humans. So, while it may aid recovery, don't expect miraculous enhancements in your sprint time just yet. If you're intrigued by NAD+, you might be wondering how to increase your levels. Diet is one way, with foods like beef, chicken, fish, and turkey being good sources. Supplements like nicotinamide riboside and nicotinamide mononucleotide are also being explored for their potential benefits. So, there you have it, the complex relationship between NAD+, aging, and athletic performance. While the journey to understanding NAD+ is ongoing, the potential is certainly exciting. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-packed content.